How to know Manoranjan TV channel number in Airtel DTH, Tata Play, Dish TV, Videocon D2H, SunDirect, GTPL. So if you want to know the channel number of Manoranjan TV in your services, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser. And here you need to go with search. And under search, you need to search for Manoranjan TV channel number on, like if you want to search for Airtel DTH, then you need to just type Airtel DTH and then search. And once you've searched, as you can see that it has the channel number 662. So if you go with the channel number 662 on your Airtel DTH, then you will have the Manoranjan TV. And in the same way, if you want to go with Tata Play, then you just need to simply remove this and then type Tata Play. And you can go with the Tata Play website. And here you will have the Manoranjan channel. You just need to simply search for the Manoranjan channel. You will have the channel number and the recharge price. You can go with search and search for Manoranjan. Once you've searched, then here you will have the channel number, which is 376. And in the same way, you can search for Dish TV and Videocon D2H, SunDirect, and GTPL. Once you search, you will get the information. You can just simply go with the website and you will have the information. That's how you can know the channel number on Manoranjan TV. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.